Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. Today I am here with the contents of CSF. You know what is CSF? It is cerebrospinal fluid. It is a clear colorless plasma-like fluid that bathes the central nervous system. Secretion, choroid plexus, that is lateral, third and fourth ventricles, interstitial space and dura of the nerve root sleeves. Absorption, Arachnoid granulations, choroid plexuses and glymphatics. The blood-brain barrier, BBB. The function of the blood-brain barrier is to control the movement of the water and the solute into the CSF as well as from the CSF into the neural tissues. The blood CSF barrier, which refers to the tight junctions between the choroid ependymal cells, which controls the passage of molecules between the underlying capillaries and the cerebrospinal fluid. And the functions include removal of waste, cushioning of the brain and intracranial neurovascular structures, neural buoyancy, electrolytic hemostasis, etc. Circulation. The circulation via lateral ventricle to third ventricle, fourth ventricle, central canal of the spinal cord and subarachnoid space. Clinical aspects. CSF is also very useful for the clinical diagnosis and its samples are usually obtained from the subarachnoid space by lumbar puncture. There are some pathological disorders which is associated with the disturbances of CSF circulation, which include hydrocephalus, intracranial hypertension including brain edema due to the trauma, infection or any other pathology, and also intracranial hypotension. How is CSF collected? The experienced clinicians collect CSF by a lumbar puncture, which is also known as spinal tap. The back is cleaned and a numbing medication is injected into the skin. When the skin is numb, a thin needle is inserted into the back at the level of the hip bones. You have to note it that there is no spinal cord at that level and there is no risk for paralysis also. The needle is placed between the bones and not through the bones of spine until the spinal fluid is reached. For testing, approximately 2 to 3 tablespoons of fluid are collected in sterile tubes. The brain makes CSF constantly and at any one time over 37 tablespoons are available. That's all for today. See you on the next day. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.